In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills, purchase invoices, in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in all the way to saving the bill so it's properly recorded in your accounts. This is especially useful if you're tracking what you owe to suppliers or vendors and want your expenses to be accurate and up to date. Once you're in Zoho Books, start by heading to the main menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the section labeled Purchases. This is where Zoho Books groups together everything related to money going out of your business, like bills, expenses, and vendor payments. Click on Purchases to open that area. Within the Purchases section, you'll see several options. Here, click on Expenses. Even though we're dealing with bills or purchase invoices, Zoho Books organizes these under your expenses so they flow into your profit and loss reports correctly. This page will show you a list of expenses that have already been recorded, but for now, we're going to focus on adding a new one. To do that, go to the top right corner of the expenses page and click on the New button. This tells Zoho Books that you want to create a new expense entry. In many setups, this is also where you can enter bill details received from your suppliers. After you click New, you'll be taken to a form where you'll fill in all the details of your bill or purchase invoice. Start with the vendor or supplier name, so Zoho Books knows who you owe the money to. Next, enter the date of the bill and the due date, if it's different. Make sure these match the document you received because they affect aging reports and reminders. Then, fill in the bill number or reference number from your supplier's invoice. This helps you easily match records later and avoid duplicates. Add a brief description of what the bill is for, select the appropriate expense account or category, and enter the amount. If the bill is taxable, choose the correct tax rate so your tax reports stay accurate. If there's an option to attach files, it's a good idea to upload a copy of the original bill for your records. Once you've reviewed everything and